In business, we still use printed, mailed, or faxed forms that need to be scanned. Now you can use PDFelement to quickly extract data from fillable PDF forms without wasting time on typing it out manually. Through this simple tutorial, you'll learn how to use the PDFelement data extraction feature on Windows to create a form template and extract data from many scanned PDF materials at once into one single spreadsheet. Drag or drop a scanned PDF form to upload it into PDFelement to start. Click the Form tab and the Data Extraction icon in the toolbar. Choose to extract data from a scanned PDF, then create the framing areas that you want PDFelement to recognize as a form field. You can change properties as well if you'd like. PDFelement will extract the data from these fields into a spreadsheet. After framing all the fields, save those settings with a unique name so that PDFelement can remember it and you can reuse in the future. When you're done, click Yes at the top of the page when it asks if you want to complete the data extraction. Click the plus Add button to add many identical scanned forms with the same template, or just drag them into the window. Finally, click Start to extract all of this data into a single CSV file. Click the Finished button to access and check the spreadsheet directly after the progress bar is complete. Try out PDFelement today to help you extract data from multiple scanned forms at once and increase your productivity at work. You no longer have to waste time manually typing out data with these useful features. Please be sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.